Go.
As we enter autonomous, we have all three red robots in the field, 1833 and 4189. Both gonna go ahead and get that fuel from that neutral zone and start depositing it into the hub. 1833 Team Bean getting temporarily caught up on that bump. Hopefully they'll be able to get out quickly at the start of autonomous. At the end of autonomous, the Jefferson Chargers now throwing that fuel to the very last second, bringing their lead up to the 47 to the Blue Lions' 6. 1833 Team Bean now making their way over, getting all that fuel they collected during auto, going to the very end of that hub activation period before making their way back underneath that trench to continue gathering the fuel. 4189, the Jefferson Chargers now getting some fuel from the blue side of the field as 8815, the Barnstormers go out on the near side trench, come through the neutral zone and return to their Alliance zone back underneath the opposite trench. They're now going to be delivering that fuel to those human players in the outpost who are throwing that fuel in at the close of that hub activation period. We now have a plethora of fuel being flown up into the air by 1833 and 4189, scoring the Alliance almost to 100 points in that single interaction. Team B now getting some more fuel from that depot area with only 10 seconds left to go. Them and the Chargers are at it once again, bringing their score up to 231 with half our time still remaining. If they continue up at this pace, we have a possibility for a new district high score, currently sitting up at 511. 4509, the Mechanical Bulls getting some more fuel in underneath that trench delivered to those Alliance partners as 4189 and 1833 both try to position themselves for that next hub activation period. As we check in on the Blue Alliance, 8815, the Barnstormers, see if they get any fuel of their own to those human players as that red hub is reactivated. They're going at it once again, preparing to cross that 300-point threshold with still 45 seconds left to go. Team B now getting some more fuel from the depot as the Chargers get some near the outpost. They return in position to keep firing that fuel one after another. As the Bulls and Bean return to the neutral zone, we're going to see them gathering fuel as we now enter endgame. Team Bean is only 14 fuel away. Team Bean in the Red Alliance is only 14 fuel away from getting that supercharged ranking point, which they have now passed, meaning no matter what, they will earn 2 ranking points. Team Bean and the Jefferson Chargers now throwing that fuel into the hub once again as Team Bean delivers a little bit of fuel to those human players in the outpost. With only 8 seconds left to go, 8815, the Barnstormers getting some more fuel to the outpost as we have one last rain of fury of fuel into the red hub. But that is all the time we have in this qualification match. And the scores are in. The winner is the Red Alliance with a new event high score of 402 to the Blue Alliance's 23. The Red Alliance will be walking away with 5 ranking points from that match, 1 for being energized and 2 for being supercharged.